Hey guys, this is Alan from Bayside Van Work. I'm doing an install right now. This is, pretty much what it looks like. I'm pretty close to the mic, so I'm hoping you guys can hear me. Putting in a coin fan that I have gotten off my friend in there to go to my amps, and hopefully it cools it off. I'm going to take you inside here and show you what I did in there. Wire strippers. And it's not gonna be the prettiest, but I'm gonna use a off and on switch I have here to control everything here. Hopefully. I gotta hook back up the power wires too yet. Coming here with part 2, so hang on guys.